Yo, what's up, guys? Do you have the passion to start blogging as a male fashion blogger, but you have few clothes to start with? I got your back. I'll tell you that you don't really need much clothes to start at the beginning. So, guys, welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about grooming, fashion, lifestyle in Russia, because at the moment I'm living in Russia, and in general about encouragement and support. So guys, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you for your support and thank you for subscribing. So today's topic will be dealing with this question that I usually get on my social media, where people do ask me, I want to start blogging, but I have few clothes. I don't have much clothes. Should I start or should I not even think about it? I usually reply them, start. I also say start, because there is no perfect time to start. If you are waiting for for when you have a lot of clothes for you to start blogging, then time is going, guys. People are entering the market and it's becoming more saturated. And start with the little you have and you start seeing yourself getting more clothes. So I'll be sharing 4 tips that will help you guys to start up with the little you have. So number one, guys, start with the little you have. No matter how small you think your clothes are, just make an arrangement. Try to figure out the ones that you know that are good looking. Keep them aside. And if you are very good in it, ideas will come out on how to wear it. But if you don't have ideas, you can check out Pinterest, you can check out Instagram, you can check out you can watch movies and see. Me, I do get my inspiration through movies, through Pinterest, through other bloggers. Even on the street when I'm walking around, I see people, I say, oh, that's journals, a lot of ways to get inspiration. Even sometimes it's not from human beings, it's from like signboards. I see a signboard, I see the way they design the colors, and then imagine how it will look if I put on that kind of color of clothes on me, and it will be nice. So inspiration can come from everywhere. So the main thing is to be open for it. Guys, start with the little you have. Then with time, you start investing in your wardrobe. You start getting clothes, start getting shoes, start getting other items needed for you to increase your hustle. So don't worry about the first one of having few clothes. That shouldn't be your problem, guys. That shouldn't be your problem. Number 2, when you are restyling your outfits, when you are styling your outfits and you are repeating them, try to change your backgrounds. Backgrounds are very important. They can add flavor to your look. I can wear a black shirt, a black pants, and a black boot in one particular picture in a different background, then in another background I'll still repeat the same look and the picture will look entirely different, irrespective of the fact that I'm wearing a black shirt and a black pants and a black shoe. So backgrounds usually play a vital role too in your pictures, guys. So when you know you have few clothes, try to change backgrounds. Work on your backgrounds. Try to get a different background. When you know you are going to repeat a particular clothes, you try to change your backgrounds so that it can add a different flavor to your looks and make it very nice. So guys, pay attention to your backgrounds. These are very important. Why do I say pay attention to your background? If you check on my Instagram page, this is my Instagram page, you can follow me there. If you're interested in my content, check them out. You can get inspiration too. So if you check on my Instagram, there is this particular color of suit I've been wearing always. It's a horse blood or Bodogri color suit. I've been repeating this suit, but the background that have been different. They have been in different backgrounds. I've worn it in different backgrounds, and the results are always different, because background adds this particular flavor to a looks and makes it look awesome. So guys, that's what I'm trying to say, like, pay attention to your backgrounds. It's very important. Number 3, guys, if you know you don't have much money and you don't want to break your bank buying latest outfits, guys, the best time to acquire quality outfits, quality material, but at a cheaper price, is during sales period. Let's say, for example, now spring is going on, my shops are selling spring outfits. You can wait a while. When summer is around, they start bringing in summer clothes. You can invest in those spring items that are on sales and keep them, because surely next year spring is coming back and you need to wear those outfits too. Nobody cares if it's the latest or not. That's why I always tell people avoid trending clothes, because when the trend is it's no longer existing, your clothes is automatically outdated. Avoid investing in trending outfits. What do I mean by trending outfits? Those outfits that you see with a lot of designs and paintings and all those stuffs and all. When the season goes, it goes out. It becomes outdated. To invest more on like a black shirt, black pants, white shirt, white pants, gray shirt, gray pants, one single color shirt, single color outfit, so that it can be worn at any time of the year. When you are investing your money in buying new clothes, try to buy those clothes that you can wear more than 5 times and still look different in them. No, don't stop buying unless you are very rich. You are very, very rich. Then go ahead and start investing in those trending clothes, because you know when they get outdated this year, next year when new one comes, you can still invest and buy new ones, so you have no problem. But if you're not yet to that level, start buying little ones that you can be repeating up to more than 5 times. Fourth one, guys, try to add accessories to your outfit. Imagine I'm wearing a black shirt and a black pants and a black boots. Today I take a picture with it and I post different background. Then tomorrow I wake up, I decide to wear the same outfit, but putting on this band, it added a little different to this look, and I choose a different background too. You see, the same look, but due to this accessory, this can be added as an accessory. Sometimes you just need, maybe you can put on a sweater and tie it around your neck. Maybe if you don't have this bunny, you can put on a hat. That's a different look entirely. You see, it's it's already different from the first one, but it's on a normal day, it's the same black and black. But due to you put on this hat on top, it made it look different. So that's how a particular look can look differently, because you added an accessory. You might be having a black blazer at the moment and you don't know how to wear it again because you feel like you have worn it a lot of times. But with these 4 points that I've given, especially the third one, this last one, wearing accessories, it can differentiate your previous look that you have worn it from the present one. All you need to do is to put on a pocket square. Maybe find a pocket square and put on, maybe put on a bow tie. Maybe if you're wearing a black shirt and a black pants, you wear the blazer, you put a different color of bow tie or a tie. These little things add a difference in the look. It makes it look different. That's why I'm always telling, invest too in accessories. They can really cover up, they can really help you to patch up your look. Like they are like a flavor. They help you. It's like a cake. When you bake it, you need those eyes, you need those decorations. That's the work of an accessories. They help to icing up the look. They help to make it look quite different. You can see someone can bake 2 particular kind of cake, the same flavor, the same material, the same everything, ingredients. They bake it, the same temperature, everything. But on top, they added different icing. This one, maybe he used a pinky color or different design. Ice, this cake, the same. They look differently, but they taste the same. But the icing is what differentiates. That's what accessories does. They differentiate your look. They make this look and this look different, even though they are the same. So that's why I say, when you start making money, or when you start getting money, or when you start saving and investing in your look, try to acquire accessories. They really help in icing your look. So guys, I think I've touched all the necessary points needed. But if you feel like I left some points, feel free to write down in the comment box. Someone might need it. So guys, don't forget, put it down on the comment box. Me too, I might need it too. I'm still growing. Everybody, we are all growing. There's no arriving point in this industry. Every day we learn new things. So I'll appreciate it if you feel like you have an important point that I have not made. Feel free to write down in the comment box, and I'll appreciate it, and others will appreciate it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this content with your fellow friends who might really need this to start up their blogging lifestyle, or you might need it too. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to on the notification button so that you can be receiving each video I release, because I'm trying my best to make these videos, every video that I release, to be very important and educative. See you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself.